Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Bigo Live. If you've switched SIM cards, changed your mobile number, or just want to update your account info, this guide will help you out completely. First of all, open the Bigo Live application on your smartphone and log into your account. After you're signed in, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner from the home screen. Now, click on the gear button at the top right corner from your profile section, and under Settings, tap on Account Management. Under Account Management, click on Phone. On the next page, tap on Change Phone Number. Now, you'll need to first verify your current phone number. Tap on the Send button and you'll receive a SMS verification code sent to you via SMS. Wait for the SMS code to arrive on your mobile number, and once it does, type it down in the SMS verification code box. After typing it down, click Verify, and on the next page, write down a new phone number you want to change to. After you do that, click on Next, and on the next page, you'll need to verify this new number as well. You'll receive an SMS code just like before and enter the SMS code that you received, and your new phone number will be reflected on your profile. So it is that easy to change your phone number on Bigo Live. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.